Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X7A and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down just a little bit to find home screen and wallpaper. Now let's tap on this wallpaper section, and as you can see here we've got some wallpapers which are defaultly installed here, from which you can choose of course. Here you've got our own gallery, so of course you can set your own photo as a wallpaper. However, I think I will stick with those options, so in order to check the preview of the wallpaper you have to tap on it. And as you can see, it is right now displayed on the full screen. Here you've got some options which you can customize. So as you can see right now we've got this this wallpaper, kind of movable, I would say, so you can change the position of it if you want to. You can make it scrollable, which simply means that it will simply stick in this position and it will change according to changing the home screens. You can also blur it, so as you can see you can blur it that much, or you can make it much sharper just by setting the switcher on the left side. It's up to you of course how you want to set it. I think I will leave the sharp option. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on the stick icon in the right lower corner and here you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both options, so let me tap on it. And now we can go back and check, and as you can see right here we've got our wallpaper applied. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your HONOR X7A. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.